Here you go. What's up?
Pretty, not so pretty. Pretty, not so pretty. Pretty-ish. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be taking the distributor off the Celica, looking at it, making sure there's no damage. I'm recording this like 2 days after I posted my last video. I'm going to try and make more frequent videos. Problem is I get out of work at 6 and the sun is getting down earlier than usual just because of the time. So yeah, I'm gonna make as much content as possible given the time I have. It's gonna be more of a vlog style because I'm not always gonna be able to work on my cars and stuff every single day. I will be working on the Celica as much as possible till the sun goes down, but right now I promised my dad I would change the blades on the lawnmower, so I'm gonna bang that out real quick and then I'm gonna get to taking that distributor off the car. There it is. You see it? You see it? You see it? It's right there. So I'm looking at the cap, and there's just a little bit of like powder and stuff on the contact point, but nothing serious. I don't see any cracks or anything like that that could make it arc. I'm gonna change out this distributor anyway. It might not be the cap, it might be the actual distributor. From the looks of it, this distributor could possibly be the original one. I'm gonna take it apart and see what it looks like underneath. So I got the old distributor out. This O-ring gasket right here leaks because I'm looking at it and there's oil all over the side of my engine. So that needs to be replaced. I accidentally broke these little tabs on the on this like inner cap that like encapsulates all the connectors and stuff. That actually doesn't matter for how the car runs, but you know, still you don't want to be breaking stuff on your distributor. Everything seems okay, but one thing I did notice is the contact point on the distributor where the distributor meets the rotor cap. See if you can see that. Right like there. It's not looking too good. In fact, that's like almost worn. I don't know what the original length of that is supposed to be, but it doesn't seem to be making good contact. I could probably like grind it down, not grind it down, like sandpaper it, clean up the contacts, but I'd rather just get a whole new distributor unit because this is the original one to the car and it's better to be safe than sorry. I could definitely just take this apart and repair this. I will keep it for spare parts just in case, but I don't want to be putting this back in the car considering it's around 20, well, it is 25 years old by now. I'm just going to replace it. I don't have the part now, but I'll probably get it tomorrow. That could possibly be the issue. We don't know that, but even if it's not the issue, I still would like to replace this anyway, just because it's another thing that it's another variable that could go wrong at the racetrack or me on the road. So I'm glad I'm replacing it now than just leaving it and saying fuck it. Okay, bye girl. See you tomorrow. Don't be too scared. Oh, let me shut your hood. We don't want to show the world your goods. Pretty, not so pretty. Pretty, not so pretty. Pretty-ish. If there's one thing I have to say about Rhode Island, the nighttime here is really pretty. Other than that, it sucks. Not kidding. It's not bad. It's pretty good, actually. Nothing beats just sitting down, looking at the sky, with your beautiful car underneath it, and it just looks so good. I wish I could just sit out here all night long, all day. Nothing beats the outside. One day I want a garage with like a freaking moonroof. Would that be sick? Just having the whole roof of the garage just open up at night. That'd be awesome. Well, like while you're working all night long, instead of being stuck in a closed garage, you just have like a big retractable roof. You have to get a wash. You dirty. Let's clean the wheels. Hang on. There you go. Clean those up. Oh, got a little spot on the window. Got it. I got it. Alright. Good night, Honda. I'll come drive you later. What's up, guys? I'm back a couple days later. Holy crap, the sun. I'm going to start up this truck. I'm getting ready to sell it. I had to save up some cash so I can get a new registration for it. And I finally did. So my phone's going off. I'm going to try and start it up. Let's hope it even starts. I'm going to clean the wheels, like get it like looking decent. And then I can post it and then make some money. Alright, you big bitch. Let's see if you start. Fuck. She dead, sucker. Alright, let's try that again. What? Are you serious? What the fuck? Why? Wow, this thing's stone dead. Are you kidding me? It's on supply too, like the battery charger. Alright, I'm gonna add more chargers. Well, that put a little bit of a dampener on my plans. I'm gonna have to just let and sit this charger because I really don't want to sell this truck to somebody with a dead battery because I'm not a scumbag. I don't do that. Shh. Maybe I do. No, I don't. Don't. But yeah, gonna have to let and sit this. What? Gonna have to let this sit in charge. I mean, I'll try it one more time. See what happens. Nah. She dead, sucker. Not gonna happen. Alright, whatever. I'll pick it back up tomorrow. Anything else I can do right now? Probably move my... I have grease on my nose. I didn't even notice that. I didn't even notice that. Best joke I ever made. I'm gonna see if I can move my Toyota Celica interior parts around, organize things better. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So it's the next day. We're gonna try it again. Oh no, the door is locked. Try it again. What the hell? So I got the truck running and it wasn't the battery. I had the charger hooked up to the battery and I'm like, it's reading 100%. I'm like, usually it would like flash or something if it wasn't able to charge the battery. And I'm like, it's reading 100%. So I even pulled my Honda up in front of it to like jump start it and it's still not cranking it over. I'm like, it should have some juice. You know, it should run off my other car's battery. Like, even if this battery was stone dead, it would still, like, crank over. But, I'm like, something's not up. So I'm like, cycling the key, like, a million times. And then all of a sudden I hear one rotation. I'm like, oh. And then I do it the next time, and it just fires right up. I think the starter was stuck. I think that was the problem. Hopefully it's not anymore. Hopefully I freed it up. But I think that was definitely it. The battery was fine. I think I just needed to like give it a little starter bump and like cycle the key a lot just to get it to like loosen up. Focus. Why you no focus? But yeah, so I'm gonna pull it up right now and I'm gonna get to cleaning it. Why does it go out of focus? There you go. What's up? truck has just been cleaned. You know, fresh oil change, fresh spark plugs, tires are brand new, and she's ready to be sold. I put this rear part on the tailgate back on with some self-tappers, and I lined them up as perfectly as I could, so that looks good. I cleaned up the bed. The person who I sell this to, I'm going to give these to. If you can find the brackets for them, hey, you know, put them on the truck, why not? Other than that, pretty good truck. If I had the cash, I'd keep it and fix it up and probably use it as a tow rig, but, you know, she's been babied her whole life. 240, this truck has 246,000 miles on it, and the engine runs perfect. AC works amazing. Everything on this truck works so good. I literally don't know how, but Ford, you made a pretty damn good truck. I'm gonna end the video off here. I'm gonna probably wash my Honda before like it gets darker. It's only like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, just from, I think so. I don't know. It's probably 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm not too sure. But yeah, so thank you everyone for watching. I did order the starter, by the way. I don't know if I said that earlier in like when I recorded last. I did order the starter for the Celica, so that should be coming in soon. I am just enjoying making these videos. I find it really fun, and I'm gonna keep making more because, yes, I'm going to say again, I don't have a crap ton of subscribers, but I don't think that really matters because 10 years from now, I'm going to be looking back, or not even 10 years from now, when I'm 60 years old, I will be looking back and be like, holy shit, that's where I started? That's freaking crazy. So, thank you everyone for watching. You know, stay tuned for the next episode, and peace out.